Hey, in this video, I'm going to explain what closed loop marketing is and why closed loop marketing is important to your company. That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative back with another episode of What Is. Like what you see? Want to keep learning more? Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for instant notifications. Oh, and by the way, make sure you stick around to the end of this video where I share 3 ways that you can leverage closed loop marketing at your company today. So today's topic, closed loop marketing, has nothing to do with marketing your crochet projects well, that's a loop, right? Or is that knitting? Anyway, let's start at the beginning with closed loop marketing definition. This marketing strategy relies on data and insights from closed loop reporting. Closing the loop just simply means that sales teams report to marketing about what happened to the leads that they got from marketing, so everyone is on the same page. Why is closed loop marketing important for your company? No more guessing. No, really, no more guessing. That's right, guessing at your business strategy is always a losing proposition. Closed loop marketing helps you focus on the channels and campaigns that matter most. Plus, it minimizes the cost per lead. When you know what channels and campaigns close the most sales, you can stop wasting efforts on those that, well, don't. Boom! Cost savings, and everybody loves cost savings. There are more reasons, but the ones that I just covered make it clear that closing the loop is good for your business. So how can you use closed loop marketing for your company? Well, I'm about to show you how. Basically, you just need great communication between your sales and marketing teams. Have someone take ownership of the process, and of course, there are closed loop marketing software solutions too. Connect your teams and efforts with tools that bring marketing, CRM, social media, email, and everything else together. That might be HubSpot, Marketo, Salesforce. There are more than 7,000 marketing solutions out there. No, you heard me right, 7,000. All right, you stuck around, so you're ready for the knowledge bomb. So buckle up, because here are 3 ways that closed loop marketing can impact your business today, like now. 1, you can use closed loop marketing to make sure your buyer personas are locked in. The insights you gain from closing your loop between marketing and sales will give you the most comprehensive view of your leads and customers. Most companies assume they know their audiences. With closed loop marketing, you'll really know them by dashing assumptions and using data. Number 2, you can use closed loop marketing to shorten the sales cycle. Identify the pivotal touch points along the buyer's journey. Then lean into those, improve them, put resources like automation into play, and help shorten the sales cycle. Everybody loves a shortened sales cycle. You'll remove the noise that may distract or slow down the funnel. And leadership will see tangible results of the marketing efforts that you're putting into place. Look, this new way helps to see how marketing efforts truly impact the company, because it shows which channels help make the most profit. Now that you know what closed loop marketing is and why closed loop marketing is important, make sure you're implementing it for your company's growth success today, right now. Start closing the loop. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell as well before you go, and make sure you're being a happy, helpful human along the way.